Standard construction is a long process, it's a dirty process. When you lose months and months just because of the inspections and the cleanliness, the cost to clean, you have to frame a wall, you have to get an inspection for the rough end, then you have to put insulation in, then you have to get that inspected, then you have to get a drywall installed, then you have to get that inspected.
Some of the challenges we face during construction are typical for any construction project. You're always up against working with multiple contractors, subcontractors, vendors, and timing. Our objective for extending our campus was to really bring a lot of our support and professional groups that were spread out across Albuquerque into one place.
It works best for an incentive to continuously reorganize their spaces and move people around. They had struggled in the past with the conventional construction of drywall and studs. They were looking for a better method.
So Improve Group was brought in probably halfway through construction. I think they had about 6 months when they were originally told that they had about a year.
Well, Improve Group really worked with us to understand our culture and the communication, just the type of feel we wanted. Because we worked with Improve Group, we did a lot of research and we selected DIRTT as our choice for this type of construction.
Typically, when you use a modular system, you have to compromise on the design to fit your design kind of into what the capabilities of the modular system are. In this case, Improve Group was able to bring in their team and they customized the DIRTT system to fit my design exactly. So there are more options with DIRTT than there are with conventional stud frame and drywall.
During construction, there were times where we would look at our plans or we'd see some of the walls up and we'd go, oops, we didn't mean to do that. And the boardroom's an example of that.
The conference room was originally just some office rooms. Lucenda decided to change it into this boardroom.
Well, Improve Group brought back to us different types of fly-throughs and models that we could use, some ideas that could get us started from that perspective.
Because of the design that DIRTT uses called the ICE system, they were able to completely design that within a couple days, turn it over, get it looked at. The new center project has a raised floor system. There's no mechanical or electrical connected to the ceiling. It's all underfloor, so the ease of them taking a wall down and rebuilding it to whatever configuration the owner wants is huge. DIRTT comes prefabricated, electricals in it, insulation's in it. It's already inspected, it's already permitted like that, so there's no inspection process for it. Really, the only inspection you need is seismic for the structure, and then you need the electrical, which is all at the end of the project.
I can see office systems, especially interior tenant improvements, leaning more towards the prefabricated type of office system just because of the benefits that it provides.
We really enjoy working with Improve Group. They've done a great job for us and we're really happy with the output. We are going to expand as an organization. In fact, there's a couple of blank spaces in our building right now that we're going to grow into. And I'm confident that when it's time for us to move into that, it's only going to be a few months.